Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Let's go and jump right into it. Before we do so, watch out for the spam, the WhatsApp, all that stuff down in the comments down below. I know y'all about to be in the comments talking about my shirt. Hey, this is how we came into this world with no clothes on. And at the beginning of times, the first people was actually naked. So I feel like I'm more connected whenever I have clothes off. So don't be worried about that or whatnot. And I ain't mean to even say that because it ain't none of your business. But I hope maybe that even make you might think a little bit like, dang, that do make sense. And it always come down to your shoes. That's why it's better to be barefoot outside. You're more connected to the that's another topic for another day. You know I make videos like that on the weekend, but this time to talk about the money now. The stock market opening next week. I know we all been down and out. I know we been down. People, everybody's down, not just you. The billionaires and lost 50% of their wealth. But what I tell you, it's easier to get back 1,000, easier to get back 10,000, easier to get back 100,000, rather than it's not that easy to get back 10 billion, 50 billion, or $100 billion. What some of these big guys lost, like Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, lost over 100 billion, is still the richest man in the world. Come on now, but like I say, guys, it ain't going to be so easy to get back that type of money. So be thankful that you lost at this level of your life and not the level that we're about to go to. Because we all going up over here. Everybody. I want to need everybody in the comments if you ain't already millionaires, because I got some people that's already following me. Like I told you guys, y'all be shocked. Some people follow me. Y'all doing way better than me. Of course, though. A lot of y'all real older than me, too. Like some of y'all 40, 50 years old. And y'all been in the game for a long time. It's all about compound interest. The older you are, and if you look back and you ain't got much, now I'm just trying to say, like, you been here for a long time. You should have something. Like, you should have a whole lot of stuff. You know what I mean? Like, after accumulation, even if you ain't got no money, you should have enough around you that you accumulated cars and houses and clothes and stuff that you can sell it and liquidate it to a whole lot of money and put that in the marketing. Anyways, let's get back to the stocks, though, man. I end up talking about other stuff. We got a lot to talk about. Not a lot, but I'm going to shorten it up. But anyways, as we know, guys, next week will be a good week for the market, in my opinion. It could come off hot in the beginning, being for the fact they like to scare people, get some people out. The market's in some scary times right now. It's vulnerable to come down even lower, another 15%. The overall market, Bitcoin vulnerable to come down another $5,000, $6,000, that $10,000, close that gap before shooting back up. But before it do that and close that gap, we know it's going to be volatile along the way, so it could shoot up, rip up to 20K before doing so. So that's why I'm on the fence. Usually when I know 100% of what's going to happen, I let you guys know. I don't know 100% of what's going to happen going into tomorrow, but for the remainder of the week, I do see us, we could possibly start out red. Hopefully start out green straight out of the gate. But I just know how the psychological points of the market and how the market makers try to do. I know towards the end of the week and nice points of this week, majority of this week is going to be green in my opinion, guys. And we still vulnerable for the market to come back down. But like I say, guys, before crypto and the market come down, I do believe, I told you guys it would be like 5 bullish markets within this bearish market. And what I mean by that is, what we had seen, stocks up 20, 30% in a single day, then it go right back to a bearish market. And that's going to happen multiple times before it actually close that gap fill for Bitcoin and for the stock market, and then before we go into a bullish market, guys. So let's go ahead and continue to see exactly what we could be expecting for next week. As we know, guys, the central bank presidents will be talking on Tuesday. Cleveland Feds Loretta Mester at 11 a.m. Kansas City Feds Esther George at 2:15 p.m. and St. Louis Feds James Bullard at 2:35 p.m. We can bet that they will be one-upping each other about how high they want to take Fed funds, the overnight bank lending rate. So as we know, guys, we know the November Fed minutes will be released Wednesday afternoon. That's definitely going to put his little dictation on the market. The bond and currency markets are already preparing for very hawkish minutes. Fed board members appear to think rates may be headed towards 5%. So as we know, guys, the Feds is coming out on Wednesday. That's going to put a little, dictation on the overall market. We got some earnings that's approaching before the holiday seasons of Thanksgiving. So we got a lot going on, guys, right here. Coming approaching, the holiday seasons, Thanksgiving, Christmas, towards the end of the year. I'm pretty sure we about to come up out of this bearish market soon. Bitcoin is going to close that gap soon, regardless if it do, if it don't. We're about to go into bullish markets, guys, all around the board. It's going to be green, 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 green. I don't know, it ain't that close away, but I can say from between now and Still got to give it a little more time for it to close this gap. So between the next 2 weeks after that, between then and the next 2 months, especially, going into early January 2023, I believe things is about to be, heating up, guys. There's going to be a lot of money that's going to be made in the markets. So going into tomorrow, guys, like I told you guys, I'm definitely on the fence for tomorrow. We just going to let tomorrow do what it do. Let the market digest itself, see exactly, what it wants to do going into tomorrow. But I do believe next week will be a very bullish week for the market, guys. It's just tomorrow. I just got to, just let the market play out, let it do what it do. As we know, we'll alert plays and VIP if something come about, a nice opportunity. I'm meaning to tell the guys, everybody on the channel, the main channel, VIP, you want to sit back and wait for the best opportunities. Instead of, slanging, getting in this, getting in that, getting in that, getting in that. If you not, have a nice account size and got enough capital like that, you want to not be risking too many trades. You want to, because less is more. You want to wait for the best setups. Like if you got a criteria chart where you got the volume, it's checking off. You got a strategy, whether it was a dip buy, first green day, breakout, or earnings winner, whatever strategy you bought it, because, whatever trigger you in that area, that's a check mark. The volume's high, that's a check mark. Then you also got liquidity. That basically with the volume, you able to get in and out of that stock, that asset with ease. You able to get liquidated. And you also looking for the news. Is there any type of news or catalyst, events that got this stock doing what it's doing? You looking at least 5-6 things. I ain't trying to make the video too long, but checking off the check boxes. If 3 out of the 5 or 4 out of the 5, those higher probability plays that you want to be getting in, and not just getting in it because you see one thing, right? Oh, it's the first green day. Let me get in. Oh, it's got high volume. Oh, make sure it's multiple things that check off, guys. So you already know what to do, man. I love y'all. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. Watch out for the spam and WhatsApp, all that good stuff in the comments down below. Get your free stock with Webull and Robinhood, I believe, in the comments down below. That's what it is. And also, if you want to reach out to me, hit me up on Instagram, phone call, emails, whatever you want to do. Just reach out to your boy. You already know I get back with you. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all. We go.